how to log into your Trading 212 account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Trading 212 is installed on your phone. Then after doing that, you can simply open the application. You can get this application through your App Store or Play Store. Then after doing that here, all you need to do is simply add in the credentials of your account in order to log in. So in here, simply tap on sign in order to sign into your account, add in your email address and your password, then tap on sign in, and then simply log into your account like that. So in case if you have like sign up your account through your Google ID, what you can do is simply tap on the option sign in with Google, and then you can choose your exact account, then add in all of the required credentials of your Google ID and then sign into your account, right? So unfortunately, if you have forgotten your password, then what you can actually do is simply tap on the option forgot password right here, then add in your email address, then tap on request new password. You will actually be getting a mail from your Trading 212. There will actually be a link. Simply tap on that link on your email inbox, and then you will be able to create yourself a new password and then reset your password. So after doing that, you can come back to your login page and add in your new password, then tap on sign in, and like that you'll be able to log into your Trading 212 account. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.